Hey everyone, it's Paul here, and in this video I'm going to show you my Legacy Builders bonus free traffic that I am giving away to all my students and team members. So what I'll do is I will show you the two simple steps that you need to do so you can set up your Legacy Builder system and how you can get my free traffic, because I will be helping you promote your link so you can start getting the big $900 commission. Now, before I show you the steps, let me go ahead and show you some of the results from some of our students and team members who are using the system. So you can see this member, she posted this 14 hours ago. She made $10,650 in 19 days, which is pretty awesome. We have Justin, $2,000 in the first 5 days. We have another member, Tony. He made $600 while on vacation. And Rosie made $600 in 1 day. And Danny made $600, and Kelly made $13,350 in the last 90 days, which is pretty awesome. So what I'll do is I'll show you how to set up the system, and then I will show you how you can get my free traffic, because I will be helping you promote your link so you can get my free traffic and you can start getting this big $600, $900 commission. So the first step that you need to do is you go to this website. The link will be in the comment section, so you can go to this website. When you go to this website, all you need to do is put your email address here and then yes, show me how. And then it will take you to the next page. And then when you go to the next page, there's a short video tutorial here that will show you how to make your first $10,000 in the next 30 days. But basically, the way this works is that after you watch this video, you just need to follow the steps. So step number 1 is to click here to join Legacy Builders, which is the system that we are promoting. And what you do is you click this button and then it will open up to Legacy Builders right here. So this is the program that we are promoting. And in this program, you can earn anywhere from $100, $300, $600, and $900. Most people go for the $900, which is what I would recommend, so you can qualify to earn up to $900 per sale. So what you do, really straightforward, when you go to this website, just follow the steps that I'm showing you. It's really straightforward. It's easy to do. What you do here is you can click this button and then it will open up to the order page. So this is the order page of the Legacy Builders program. So it's a $900 program, one-time payment of $900. And once you complete this payment, okay, there's another payment of $29 so you can get the system that they are giving away for all the affiliates. So basically what you do is you complete this form, okay, and then you just need to complete the form. You can complete the payment using credit card or debit card, Apple Pay. You can use PayPal, and then you can click this button if you want to use Wise. Okay, so you can use your card or bank transfer. Or if you want to use Stripe, you can click this button. It will open up to Stripe, and then you can use your Apple Pay or your credit card details here. Once you complete the payment, there's another payment that you need to do, which is this one. The one-time payment for the website, which is $29. So basically, the $900 is for you to be able to qualify to earn anywhere from $100 to $900 per sale commission. The $29 is for you to be able to get a copy of the website that they are giving to all the affiliates. Okay, so it's a one-time payment. Once you complete the payment, you go through the setup of the system, and then essentially what will happen is you will now be able to get a copy of this page right here. So this is the exact website that you will get. This is an example of the website that you will get for the $29 that you paid for. And your main goal is to send traffic to this website. So basically when people go to this website, they put their email, they click on yes, get my blueprint. They go to the next page. And on the next page, there's a video here from the creator of the system, Michelle. So you don't need to speak to anyone. You don't need to recruit anyone. You don't need to manually explain things to anyone, because this video will do all the selling and all the telling. And then whenever people go to this page, they see all these testimonials, right? They get excited. they click this button that says, yes, I'm ready to have a successful online business. It will take them to the order form, which is this page right here. So now you're using the exact page that we're using. And whenever people click on yes, get access to Legacy Builders now, they complete the payment, then that's how you make that $900 commission. So now for those of you who are asking, so how do you actually promote this page? And because I'm giving away the free traffic. So what you do when you have a copy of this page, what I need you to do, okay, is straight away, as soon as you have a copy of your Legacy Builders lead capture page, as soon as you have a copy of this page, what I need you to do is message me on Facebook. So this is my Facebook account. I will put the links in the comment section. Message me on Facebook and give me your affiliate link. Give me your page, the link to this page right here. Message me on Facebook, and then what I'm going to do is once you message me on Facebook and once you give me your link, I'm going to give you the bonus free traffic. So for those of you who are following me on social media, I have this traffic agency called the Affiliate Marketing Traffic Agency. So I own this agency. I personally own this agency. And what I'm going to do is, because if you join Legacy Builders through my referral link, that means I am your sponsor in Legacy Builders. Okay, that means I referred you to Legacy Builders. The best way for me to help you so you can become successful with this particular program, Legacy Builders, is that for me to be able to help you promote your link. So the way that we will do this is I'm gonna give you this one right here, the 500 buyers traffic campaign. So basically, okay, once you message me on Facebook and you give me your link to this page, what I'm going to do is I already have the existing campaign on Facebook. This 500 buyers traffic campaign valued at $1,000, okay, I'm gonna give you 500 buyers traffic campaign coming from Facebook. I already have the campaign. I will redirect the traffic going to your lead capture page. So basically what I'm going to do, okay, so this one right here, I have this sample of the actual Facebook ad that I am running. As you can see, this one right here. This is the exact Facebook campaign that I have. Right, so this is the one that I'm running on Facebook, and it's already live. It's already getting the leads and the sales on my campaign. So basically what I'm going to do is once you message me on Facebook and once you joined Legacy Builders and once you gave me your affiliate link, I will redirect the traffic of this Facebook campaign. And what will happen is people click on this ad. Okay, they see the ad on Facebook, they click on the ad. What will happen is people will go to your page, which is this page. And then from there, they put their email. Again, they watch the video from Michelle. If they're interested, they click on the button. And then whenever they purchase, that's how you will make that $900 commission with Legacy Builders. So that's the bonus traffic that I'm giving away. And again, it's 500 buyers traffic campaign valued at $1,000. So essentially what will happen is 500 people will go to your affiliate link, to this page right here. Whenever people purchase, that is how you will make that instant $900 commission with Legacy Builders. So make sure that you follow the steps that I showed you. Again, I will be giving you 500 buyers traffic campaign, 100% for free as long as you join Legacy Builders through my referral link, so I can help you promote your link. All you need to do, click on the link in the comment section, go to this website, and then follow the steps. Make sure that you join Legacy Builders, and then as soon as you have completed the setup of your system, and once you have the copy of your page, which is this page right here, what I need you to do is just message me on my Facebook page and give me your link, and then for you to be able to claim the 500 buyers traffic campaign that I am giving away 100% for free as a bonus to all my students and team members. So if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and make sure that you give this video a like or a thumbs up. And make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you can get notified, so you can get my videos whenever I post a new video. Again, all the links will be in the comment section. If you want to join Legacy Builders, so you can earn anywhere from $100, $300, $600, and $900 per sale. So most people purchase the $900. So now you have the you have the opportunity to promote the exact affiliate offer that we are promoting, so you can make up to $900 per sale in commission. This is direct commission that will go to your bank account. So again, all the links will be in the comment section, so you can go to this website and then set up your system. Once your system has been set up, message me on Facebook and give me your link so I can give you the bonus free traffic of the 500 buyers traffic campaign coming from the Facebook ad. So thank you for watching, guys. I look forward to connecting with you on Facebook, and most importantly, I look forward to seeing your results when you start getting these big $900 commissions with Legacy Builders. So again, all the links will be in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best, and God bless.